Hello, my name is Martin Crean. I'm from a salon called Mode in Chipping Campden in the Cotswolds in the United Kingdom. This is my model CJ and I'm going to be taking you through some new techniques on razoring and creating texture. So the first important thing to consider when using the razor to create texture is the angle of the razor. Okay, for a more of a lighter effect is to hold the razor at this angle towards the hair. For a more dramatic effect of feathering and taking weight out, you turn the razor more into the hair. And these techniques can be followed throughout the hair depending on the thickness, the shortness of the hair that you want to create, or the style. So I find with razoring also a really good way to take weight out of the hair when you want a disconnection is to lightly twist the hair and then to work the razor through the twist. So for added texture, also feel free to hand slice the hair. Today we've used KMS HAIRPLAY dry wax to finish off the style.